How important do you think mock tests are in determining whether people are ready for their test or not?
So sometimes I'll do a mock test with a learner quite early on, because they'll say to me, oh, you know, can I book my test? And if I say to them, no, you're not ready, that doesn't help them understand where they're at. So sometimes I'll say, okay, let's do a little mock test for you. Maybe we won't do 40 minutes, but we'll do like a 10 or 15-minute mock test, and they might get 10 serious faults in those 10-15 minutes. Yes, they can drive, but they don't realise some of the faults that they're making, how serious they are. So for example, just moving away from the side of the road, if you don't look over your right shoulder and there's a vehicle coming up down the road, yes, you might get away with it, but that's a serious fault when you're driving test. When you're going over a roundabout, if you're cutting your lanes slightly, if a vehicle's there, again, that's a dangerous fault. But if a vehicle's not there, that's still a serious fault. When I do these mock tests early on, what it does is it puts things into perspective for them. And at the end I say, look, don't get yourself too down. Yes, you've got 10 serious faults, but now we've got a little bit of a benchmark. Let's maybe have a look at it in 3-4 weeks' time, and let's try and get those faults down to maybe 5 serious faults.
Yeah.
And then we kind of build from there. And then as they get closer to their test, then it gets serious, and we do longer mock tests because the faults are naturally lower.